Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Vince. Summer is in full swing. We are heading to cookouts and barbecues, carnivals and concerts, taking family vacations. And if you're like me, you are absolutely going to indulge in some of the food that's there. So what I like to do is, when I get a chance, I like to swap out some of those small portion, high calorie menu items for a larger portion of something with fewer calories. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to swap out some of my favorite breakfast blueberry muffins for a blueberry breakfast salad. Just in case you didn't know, yes, you can have greens for breakfast, and yes, blueberry salads are a thing. So let's get started making this salad. We're going to start with a bed of greens. We are going to add some blueberries. I like carrots, so I'm going to toss on some shredded carrots. A few mandarin oranges. It's okay to leave the liquid from the oranges. Any brand of canned mandarin oranges will do just fine. That liquid will add a little moisture to your salad so you don't feel like you're eating dry grass. And we are going to top this off with a bit of granola for some texture. If you want a little salad dressing, you can add a light vinaigrette or make your own. And you can just drizzle a little bit of that on there. And there it is, a blueberry mandarin orange breakfast salad. Yes, you can have greens for breakfast. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. We'll see you next time.